chips that we can harvest. Small. Oops. Oh. Waited too much. It's turning brown. And just I'm gonna get this one. I'm not sure if the other one is okay. Yeah. There we go. Look at this corn. Like this, opening like this. Yeah. Short and fat. This one.
It is short, but it is also fat. Insect and ants planting on it. Make like putting their eggs. There are 30 minutes and 58. Now 9. Look at that corn. And it's about to rain, as you can see.
Try. Whoa! You're getting stronger now.
I know, I just did the rotten.
Okay, just put it on the side and put it in our pile here. Good. Good job. Alright. Okay, this is what we got. And there's still more left in there. Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating garden. So, mag-continue ako ng linis ng aking garden bed kasi magtatanim na ako ng full season crops. For now, i-harvestin ko yung mga kamatis. This is done. Look at this. Grabe. Ganda pa ng mga kamatis. Kahit doon sa likod, oh, yung ano na yan, okra yan. Tapos may melon pa. Ito, melon pa to. Pero yung iba, dito, bubunutin ko na. Fertilizer din siya. I mean, pang cover din sa ano. Ito, ang okra, lumalamig na kasi. Putulin natin. Diba?
Outside plate.
May bakanting pats na tayo. Lipat natin dyan. Naghihintay lang ako ng ano, tamang panahon. Kailan tayo mag-transplant. And then this season, marami din akong sinave na mga strawberry runners. Para sa next year ko, marami din akong strawberry. Kasi, yung iba dito, binibenta ko pag spring. Ang dami din bumibili ng strawberry. So, itatanggalin ko na sila from the mother plant. Then, ikikip ko na sila sa gilid. Dinidisconnect ko lang sila sa that's 1, 2, 3. Ito din. So, ilang strawberry ito, no? Kasi, itong mga mother plants na ito, na mga strawberry na dyan, magto 2 years na yan. So, palitan ko na yan next season. Diba? Ang aking strawberry before, nagsimula lang ako sa 8 plants. Alrighty. Ngayon, kailangan natin siyang ilipat doon. Alrighty. Marami na tayong strawberries. Bala kong magbenta ng strawberry next season. Ito strawberry to. Yan din. At saka yan din. Tapos, itong lahat ng mga strawberry ko dito, galing lang yan sa 8 strawberry ko before. Kasi oh, grabe, marami siyang runners. Ito, magiging strawberry din to. Strawberry plants. Next season, tutubo na yan. Magbubunga na yan. Sana bukas matapos ko na to ang paglilinis ng garden. Madami pang gagawin, oh. Naghahagbas ako, dyan ko lang nilalagay. Marami pa yung corn. Aanuhin ko na yan yung corn, eh. Tatanggalin ko na yan. Ayan, oh. Tatanggalin ko na to dito. Ito. At saka dito na area. Diyan na area. Mag-start na ako ng snow peas. Nagkadikit-dikit na sila sa aking seedling tray. Kunin ko na din yung kamatis na to dito. Magpa-change pa lang ng color. Can you hold it? I'm just putting the tomatoes. There's 3 more that I need to harvest so that the plant can rest. Try ko siyang ikip pa. Ito kasi hinintay ko lang to na magkulay, hinog na. Then puputulin ko yung plant hanggang dito kasi ito mga bagong ano na to, bagong tubo at saka nagabulaklak na. So parang nakakapag-extend pa tayo ng harvest natin for a few weeks. Okay, that's it. Alright, so I've started to free some space up in here. Like I can put a few seedlings here, like either bok choy or pechay. They grow up so quickly. There's only a few weeks left for these beans. I'm supposed to get them off, pero nakakita ako marami pang mga bunga. So nasasayangan na naman ako as usual. So pwede ako dito, that space there. My project today is freeing up some space here. So I need to clean this up. So,
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel
snow peas.
inside,
Kailangan
it
din ang
burns me out. Did she wonder how I leave you? There's no
just really need to
this
clean
my
this
love. I'll burn.
Alright, so this is what it looks like now. I pulled out most of the grasses. And this is still okra, kale, my pepper, another kale, and zinnias. So I'm planning to put a row of snow peas here.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. Did she wonder how I leave you? There's no this my love.
Kaya dito planta tayo dyan. So ito yung ating seedling. Sobrang ano niya na. Yung snow pea natin ay nagadikit-dikit na siya, oh. So kailangan na siya nating ilipat. So ngayon, snow pea muna ililipat natin.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. Did she wonder how I leave you? There's no this my love. I'll burn cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect size for another one, and you and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once, you are personal. Now I get this moment conversation and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself. Told you so many times, but never look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore.
Ayan
She
na po.
wonder how I leave you. There's no this my love. I'll never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect.
Right. Ngayon, magtanim naman tayo ng iba pang seedling na malilipat natin. Kasi mukha ng ating seedling ay parang ano na talaga. Sikip-sikip na. Mga spinach na lilipat natin dito. Anim na. Talaga naman.
If you wonder why, don't carry on. Do I want it? Somebody to help me evermore. Can you heal me from the dark of my past? Can you take me higher side? Wish I got you on my back. She wonder. She wonder how I leave you. There's no this my love. Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect sign for another one, and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like you more than once. If I like you more than
Kaya may broccoli tayong nilipat. Ito yung broccoli nilipat natin dyan.
I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back till I break your heart. What I feel inside, it burns me out. 이제 wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, tears, my love, never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect sign for another one, and you and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once, you are personal.
Tapos lagyan natin yan ng trellis bukas.
Now I get this moment conversation and tonight I don't wanna be alone.